We are going to watch another short video that's going to show you guys what you'll be doing next and then throughout the year. Once we watch the video, you guys are going to return to your seats, please, in an orderly fashion, and you're going to grab your assigned laptops. And then once you're finished, I want you guys to put your hand on your head and let me know that you're ready for the next step. Once we've done that, we're going to work with our neighbor to explore the features of the website, and you guys will have 10 minutes to do so. Let's go ahead and watch that video now. Okay, class, so in this activity, you're going to be getting the laptops out of the cabinet, the ones that are assigned to each one of you. You're going to go back to your desk, work with your partner, make sure you log into the computers, and then we're going to be accessing a website that you'll be using for the rest of the year to monitor weather in our community as well as in another area that you choose. So once you get your laptops ready to go, we're going to look at this website. We're going to open up Google and go to weather.com. Once you get to this website, I want you to explore the features that it has. And in a few minutes, you're going to have 10 minutes to yourself to pick out a few features that you particularly like, and then you're going to we're going to discuss them as a class. But mainly what we're going to use this for is you're going to be using this website to monitor the weather in our community in one more area and kind of understand how patterns are developed, as well as monitor severe weather that's happening in our area and then another area. Once you begin to record this data, I'm going to give you a sheet that you'll be using, and you're going to go, let's make this a little bit bigger here. I'll print this out for each one of you, and you're going to put it in your science notebook. And then each day when you go to that website, you're going to go to the day of the month. So we have September here. You go down to today's the 22nd, and you're going to enter in the weather for the day. And then if it's severe weather or anything, you can make notes off to the side, and it will help us keep track of what's going on. And then later we're going to be analyzing this data and see what patterns have developed, as well as any severe weather that's happening. And then here soon you're going to be learning what constitutes severe weather. So please go back to that website. Oops, hold on just 1 minute. Well, just go back to that website, weather.com, and start exploring. So as we monitor the weather each month, we're going to be discussing our data. We will be answering questions like, what kinds of severe weather did we record? For how many days was each kind of severe weather recorded? For how many days was no severe weather recorded for our location? Do our different locations seem to have the same kinds of severe weather? How do you know? Which locations seem to have the most of each type of severe weather? Why do you think that is? So each month and every day as we go through this process, it's going to be important for you guys to record your data. And that's why I want you to put those worksheets that I'm about to give you into your science notebooks. And then that way they won't get lost. And when the time comes, it'll be easier to access so we can discuss this. There's one more part to the lesson, so let's start that now.
Okay, class. Through our discussions and search of the Weather Channel website, we have identified several types of severe weather found in our community. We will now be drawing one of these severe weather events of your choice and write a short paragraph to describe what is happening. Okay, class. Through our discussions and search of the Weather Channel website, we have identified several types of severe weather found in our community. We will now be drawing one of these severe weather events of your choice and write a short paragraph to describe what is happening. Were you frightened during the weather? Why or why not? And did you expect the weather event to happen, or did it surprise you? If you expected it, what caused you to expect it? Some questions to get you
Now that you
started
have some
and
idea
thinking
about
what to write
sentences
for your
to write for your
sentences, you will
paragraph
have 10
are
minutes to draw your pictures
what do you
and
remember
write your
most about
paragraphs.
this weather
Then we'll
event
share
when you
them with
last
the class.
experienced it?
The class
And what type
helpers
of
will
weather
now
was
pass
it?
out your drawing
Were you
materials.
frightened during
You'll
the
each get a
weather?
sheet of drawing
Why or
paper
why
with
not?
writing paper
And
attached.
did you expect the weather
cones, and
event
a
to
pencil.
happen, or did it
Please
surprise
begin
you?
as soon as you
If you
get your
expected it,
supplies.
what caused you to expect it?
Now that you have some